Hey there, tech enthusiasts. If you're staring at that frustrating blinking red light on your Sharp Roku TV in 2025, don't worry, we've got you covered. This common issue can often be fixed with a few simple steps, saving you time and money. I'm your guide today, and we'll get your TV back up and running in no time. First, let's understand the problem. A blinking red light usually indicates issues like power problems, overheating, or software glitches. Before diving in, make sure your TV is unplugged for safety. Okay. Step 1. Check your power connections. Ensure the power cord is securely plugged into both the TV and the wall outlet. Sometimes, a loose connection is the culprit. Try plugging it into a different outlet to rule out any electrical issues. If that doesn't work, move to step 2. Perform a soft reset. Unplug the TV, wait for about 60 seconds, and then plug it back in. This can clear temporary glitches. Press the power button to see if the light stops blinking. Next, step 3. Update your Roku software. If the TV turns on, go to the Settings menu, select System, and then System Update. Install any available updates, as outdated software can cause this problem. If updating doesn't help, try step 4. Factory reset your TV. Go to Settings, select System, and choose Advanced System Settings. Then, select Factory Reset, but remember, this will erase all your personalized settings, so use it as a last resort. Finally, if none of these steps work, it might be a hardware issue like a faulty power supply. In that case, contact Sharp customer support or a professional technician. There you have it, folks. By following these steps, you should be able to fix that blinking red light and enjoy your shows again. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.